confidence. I've got a lot of thanks to give out here. First and foremost to my perfect wife.
Don't tell me what you have. Can I go with Jess alone? Very good.
We met before. It's hard to forget those eyes.
Oh, wait, no, come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Do I still hold the
Right
Bible?
over here.
There you go.
You can put it away if you want. Is that what you said to my mom? It was wonderful. My mom loved it.
1 minute, Angel. Do you want to hold it? Here, lollipop. It's going to come in your
got
mouth.
us all?
Just look at the camera, and we're going to have lollipop. It's going to go in your mouth right after, right after.
Keep going. You're going to stand right next to me. There you go. And then we're going to have...
There you go.
Got it? Okay.
Okay, and the people in the back, you can spread out a little bit.
Welcome to the front row. Do you remember what I told you? No, not smile. No date till you're 30. Hey, Angel, how old are you? You're 12. What's your name? How are you? The problem is, you know, you guys, you got a hard time. All right, sister. I like kids better than people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grandpa's one of those guys.
That's nice of you to say.
No, I'm not saying. He knows it. Do you know what my dad used to say? Granddaughters have one important job.
Are you lost, sweetheart? Are you afraid, honey? Well, why don't you come with me? All right. I'll sing you a song till your mom comes back. God is in his holy temple. Earthly thoughts be silent now.